Hey there, it's Tank Girl at CES 2019. We're here at the Honor event with the Honor View 20. So this phone is really interesting because it is a replacement for last year's View 10, which was sold in the US unlocked. So we'll see if there's going to be sold this year or not. But as you can see, the display is almost filling the entire screen, except for a tiny little bezel at the bottom. And of course, instead of a notch, there is a punch hole, a hole punch for the front-facing camera right here. So that's pretty unique. It's an OLED screen, obviously it's really beautiful. And then in the back, it has this incredibly crazy pattern. You can see here two different colors. Really nice. So a dual camera system in the back, fingerprint reader. It's got the AI camera that you see on a lot of Honor devices. So overall, it's an update in every way of the Honor 10 from last year. And it's got a Kirin 980 processor in there. I think it's a large amount of RAM and storage. I don't know the exact specs, but you know, it's a flagship from Honor. It's almost as good as the Magic 2 that they released recently. So this should be potentially coming to the US as a global device. I'm not sure if we'll have it, you know, sold officially through channels here or not. But last year it was obviously sold as an unlocked phone. And, you know, it's pretty interesting because of that. So we'll see how it goes. I'll just give you a quick walkthrough on the edges here. The right-hand side, you've got Von rocker and power button, right? And then on the bottom here, you've got the USB Type-C and mono speaker, primary microphone. On top, you have a headphone jack, and it looks like an infrared transmitter or something for remote control, secondary mic. Nice that they still have the headphone jack. It's very thin, and it's an aluminum chassis, right? SIM card slot, probably has micro SD storage as well. And of course, glass sandwich with this crazy pattern in the back. And as you can see, it really follows the light. Honor branding, yeah, so it's very slick, feels nice in hand. You know, it's something like a 6.3 or 6.4 inch display, 1080p. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting my hands on this at some point in the next few weeks. And I'll keep you posted with an unboxing video and some coverage on the podcast. So please subscribe to the channel, like this video, tell your friends. And remember that this is a supplement to the podcast, the Mobile Tech Podcast, at mobiletechpodcast.com. So you should subscribe to that as well. Cheers, everybody.